Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel JTubeStudio. Let me introduce you what we are going to watch in this video. So this video is going to be very mind-blowing. I'm saying crazy proof is another crazy proof. I'm saying another because I already made videos about crazy proofs. Here's the videos. You are welcomed if you wanna watch those videos. I put the link in the description box downside. If you wanna watch it, you are most welcome. And don't forget to subscribe and put a like on this video if you liked it. And no, I'm damn sure you will subscribe. Yes, yeah, you will subscribe. Now, by the way, leave it. Let's start this video, which is going to be very mad. And let's focus. And let's say this proof. It can change something. Let's say. Let's go and let's go. Here we are, guys. I'm going to show you in this block of rectangle paper this proof step by step, and in the last of this video I'm going to tell you if this proof is working 100% or it's just a proof or something like that. Anyway, let's start proving. So I'm starting. Are you ready? I hope. So we know that if you study hard, you will not fail. Definitely you will not fail. And if you don't study hard, you will definitely fail. And in the next year you will remain in the same class. And this is not very good thing. So now what I will do in the third step is we have the left side, and the right side. So what I will do, I will add these two, and these two. So we have study plus not study is equal to not fail plus fail. Now what I will do, I will take the common, just like in the mathematical 1 plus not is equal to. Now here we have fail is equal to not, because not in the first, but it is equal. You know that 1 plus not plus 1 is the same thing. Now what I will do in the next step is to divide by 1 plus not plus 1 is the same thing. Now what I will do is this will cancel out because it's the same quantity. Now in the last it will remain that study is equal to fail. Now what is that proof? I proved, but I don't know what it means. Let me know in the comment section what does it can mean. So how was my fucking proof? Not bad, and not bad. It was good, but in the last I said that if you wanna succeed, you have to study hard. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I made Google translators sing on popular songs just like Senorita, Shape of You of Ed Sheeran, and many other just like Gooba of 6ix9ine. I love 6ix9ine. And then we have many compilation reaction. These are full of fun. This channel is full of fun and there's a crazy facts, and I invite you to subscribe it, put a like, and to stay tuned with my journey. Thanks very much. See you in the next videos, next type of video. I don't know what the type of video will be in the next, but it will be mind-blowing just like this. Bye.